So this is the pound yen analysis for Wednesday the 8th of November. Now let's just have a look what happened with prices on the 7th. So we've got 7th is there. So we've had a push up. We didn't quite get up to this 50.56, and we've seen some sell side momentum coming to the market all the way down to this support at 149.78. We're currently trading at that support at 149.78. We've got the 200 period moving average here in blue, pretty close by. We've got the 400 period moving average here in black, as well as the 50 period moving average. So we're operating within this zone here. So well, it just depends whether we do break down in prices or whether we do break up. Now the overall trend does seem to be to the upside. This might just be a consolidation, a retest of support from the most recent swing high all the way down to this horizontal level of support. So overall, if we do hold this 149.78, we'll be looking to target 150.56, above which we're looking at 151.25. Those will be upside targets. And if we do get up there and we do see a bit of a turnaround again, we'll be targeting the levels below. If we do break down from this 49.78 again, we'll be looking for, I suppose, we wouldn't really consider it a breakdown until we do probably clear this 400 period moving average. If we do break down from there, we'll be targeting the most recent swing lows in around 48.80, as you can see here. Below which we were looking at, just bear with me a second here, we were looking at 48.46. So we're looking at 48.46 if we do successfully clear these swing lows over here on the chart. So if we do clear these swing lows, we're looking for prices to possibly go down to 148.46 for seeing a bounce and a possible retest of that 49.78. So before we just wrap up here, just going to have a look at a few other time frames. So we'll start with the daily. And let's see, so on the daily chart we've had the strong bearish move, which was news related, and we do seem to be in a bit of a retracement at the moment. We do seem to be having a bit of a retracement of the large bearish move, so we might turn around and start to head downwards once we probably reach the 50% mark up. Well, 50% mark. I tend not to use Fibonacci, but we would see how prices react where they are. If they do get up to 50.56 or possibly 51.25, this bearish news related candle would have been invalidated. But overall, the trend was to the upside. So we did at one point look poised for a test of the most recent swing highs in around 52.85, but we have had the catalyst, which was interpreted to be negative for the pound. We did see a lot of sell side momentum. This might just be most recent counter trend to the upside. Might just be might just be a retracement overall. At present, we do see some bullish momentum, but in the context of this very strong bearish candle, it might just be a case of prices retracing further upwards before turning around and heading down. So let's just have a look at the weekly time frame for wrapping up here. So on this weekly time frame, again we've had heavy retracements, but we are operating in the shadow of this very strong bullish move. So though we have come back quite a bit off the highs, we're still operating within bullish territory. So yeah, that should wrap up the pound yen analysis. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.